Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Lady Beauty. Today's video, we're getting into another episode in my skin tint diaries. We're going to be talking about this new skin tint from MAC called the Strobe Dewy Skin Tint. I am going to be doing a demo and a full review in today's video for you. So if it's your first time here, my name is Melissa. I go by the name Lady M online. If you love all things beauty, luxury, and fashion, then please take the time to hit that subscribe button down below. All right, let's go ahead and jump right into today's video. All right, so here is the packaging for the MAC Strobe Dewy Skin Tint. This is the shade Rich 1, which I have tried before. I thought that the shade worked, but it was a little bit darker for me. So I went back and I picked up the shade under this, which is Deep 4. So I'm gonna try again today to see which one I really like, and then that's the video that you guys will see today. So this is what the packaging looks like. I actually love that it's a squeeze tube. I also actually love how small it is. Like, this is super small, and I'm just thinking, you know, like when you're traveling, going on vacay, you don't really want to carry anything bulky or big. So this is like the perfect size to be traveling with. I loved it. When I tried it the first time, it held up pretty nicely. I felt like I got pretty good coverage from it as well. So this retails for $38 from MAC. And I'm telling you, MAC has made a comeback. And also they redid the Studio Fix foundation. I also picked that up as well. So I probably will review that in an upcoming video, just to kind of see, is it a better formula than the past? Because, you know, MAC foundation used to have you feeling like you had a lot of product on. So it's supposed to be more skin-based, better ingredients. So I'm definitely going to be trying that out. So that's coming soon. So let's talk about this. This is a moisturizer with pearlescent light bending effects that gives your skin a hint of sheer luminous tint that lasts for up to 8 hours. 8 hours. So it says it's a color true tinted moisturizer, features sheer buildable coverage with a lightweight gel balm texture that cocoons skin for a comfortable, soft, all over glow. The formula is infused with good for skin ingredients, including hyaluronic acid, shea butter, and squalene. There's also antioxidant-rich vitamin E to protect skin from environmental aggressors such as blue light and pollution. So I always like to read, you know, the brand's recommendation on how to use the product. So it says you can apply to face with your fingertips, a sponge, or a brush, and they're recommending a specific MAC brush. Blend or build to desired coverage. Wear alone for a dewy glow, under foundation for a lit from within look, or beneath powder for a radiant matte finish. So I am not really one to wear this under foundation. So the two ways that I probably will wear this is alone, and I probably will wear it and then put powder on top. I feel like this is the year of skin tint because literally every brand is coming out with skin tints. So I probably will do a video of like my top 5 skin tints recommendation for you guys, because I'm here for skin tints. I feel like this is the easiest way to look done without being overly done. Like, save that full coverage foundation or that foundation for a special event nighttime, but for the day on the go, this is just super easy. And you know, you look put together, but not look like, you know, you're overly done. So super excited to be testing this out. So let's go ahead and get into me demoing this in today's video. So also something else that I am trying out today, I saw this was on all over TikTok. These are some beauty sponges that came from Amazon. They're the Super Soft Paw Wonder Blender. It comes with 6 blenders, but I have already used one, and so I am going to be using another one today. So I haven't really tested it to see how it washes, but I'm gonna be getting into this in today's video. I wanted to try this. So this is what the size is in the packaging, and this is the size of it when it's wet. It's really squishy, so it's super soft. You can just see it's not like hard or anything, so I'm excited to try this. This is linked in my Amazon store, so if you're interested in these, the link will be below. So I'm just gonna go directly onto my face, which is also one of the things that I really like about this, is that it's a little squeaky tube. And do you guys see how thick that is? It's not even like running down or anything. Of course, I probably have way too much product on, but it is what it is. I would say the only thing that maybe is missing from this product is SPF. Like, not having SPF directly in the product would be like the only thing that I would say that I wish that it had, is the SPF. But so far, look at that. Look how much coverage that gives. So that's why I said, like, you could definitely wear this for like special occasion if you were trying to do like full glam, because of it packs a punch. I definitely don't need any more. Definitely feel like I got good coverage. Just going in and tap, tap, tap. Tapping it in. All right, so this is my entire face with the skin tint on. I definitely am getting dewy vibes, so I'm definitely going to add some powder to this just to not make it look so dewy. All right, guys, so finished off the rest of my face, and now I am back to just show you what all I used and what I am looking like. So I will be sure to list everything in the description box. All the links to the products that I used today will be in the description box if you're interested in seeing what all I used on my face today. So back to the skin tint. I am actually here for it. I really like it. This looks like I have on something way more than a skin tint. It feels absolutely just like I'm wearing a moisturizer. Like, nothing is on my face. I'm not heavy. It's just, I'm here for it. So this is definitely going to be my everyday product that I would use, just for work. Like, I think this is perfect for just on the go work. You just don't want to be overdone, but you don't want to just be flat either. So I probably wouldn't do all of this for work, or just to run errands, but definitely this is something that I feel anybody can use, that you can just add a little oomph to it and you can take it up to this level. Packs a punch. You saw how much I use, and I feel like I have almost full coverage going on here. So great product. I would say the only thing that I wish this had was sunscreen, but that is not a deal breaker for me because I already wear sunscreen. So I would just say, if you're gonna wear this, then just make sure you have on sunscreen and you're still protecting your skin from the elements. But outside of that, love the product. I love how small it is, perfect for travel. I also love that it's squeezy. It's just convenient, less mess that you have to clean up, and then it's just travel friendly. So I am here for this. Look at this. It just looks so good. MAC definitely did their thing. I think MAC has been just reinventing themselves and just finding a way to just fit into, you know, whatever your lifestyle is. And if you've never worn MAC before, it's also a good time for you to try the brand and you know, and just try the brand because it's not the same MAC from, I don't even know, when I was like first getting into makeup. This does not feel like a MAC product. I just love how it's just healthy looking skin and it's not overly done. I think this is just what a lot of people are going for. So this will just resonate with a larger audience. So shout out to MAC for coming through with an amazing product that I highly recommend, that I am going to be reaching for and using for the summer and just my everyday like routine for sure. At least just for work, definitely I'm going to be reaching for this. I did try Rich 1 previously, and I just felt like it was just a little bit darker for me. I don't typically go in with like too light of a concealer. So if I was going to go in with lighter concealers, then I could also use Rich 1. But Rich 1 is probably what I would probably take with me on vacation, because you know you're gonna get a little tan. And so that would just work better in the, you know, for vacation when I'm a little bit more tan. But for now, I'm going to be using Deep 4. So that is it. That is today's video. Let me know in the comments, what are your thoughts? Are you interested in trying any of the new products from MAC? Are you interested in this skin tint? Let your girl know in the comments down below. And then, yeah, don't forget to check the description box for a list of products that I use. I will also have timestamps below so you can skip to whatever part of the video you want to see. And that's it for today's video. But before we go, if you aren't subscribed, please take the time to hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bells to be notified whenever I upload new videos. All right, guys, that's it. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.
Oh.